How to contact the YouTube customer support. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can contact the YouTube customer support. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your YouTube app and then you have to click your profile icon on the bottom right corner. And now it's going to bring you to this page and you have to scroll to the bottom. And here you find this help and feedback option. Click it. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you can see you have many options over here. You can manage channel settings, you can turn restricted mode on or off on YouTube, you can view or delete your YouTube search history, you can delete or hide your YouTube channel, you can clear your watch history, or you can search for help over here. If you need more help, you can ask the help community by clicking over here and get answers from community experts. You can just put in your issues over here and just select the category, and then you can just post it. And if you want to just directly go to the YouTube customer support, click send feedback. And now you can see here is my email, and now you have to write your feedback over here. You can add screenshots, system logs, and then you have to click this option. And now you have to just write your feedback over here. Just write in whatever you want to talk to the customer support about, and then you can just contact the support. Or you can just go back and go to the help section over here, and then you have to just type over here help. And then you have to just click this get in touch with YouTube creator support team. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to click email. And then you can just send in the email over here, and that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.